Hi everyone, I'm Priscilla and I'm going to give a brief explanation and argumentation on why I stand on Kozma's side when it comes to the topic of the great media debate. Are you curious? Check it out! A little bit of disclaimer, two of the references that I'm using are Learning with Media, which is an article in Review of Educational Research by Robert Kozma on June 1991, and the second one is Media Will Never Influence Learning by Richard E. Clarke that was published on 1994. The great media debate talks about whether media really influences learning or not. Well, let me show you the results of the debates. In the debate, Clarke concluded that media does not influence learning at all. Yet, Kozma argues that symbol system and processing capabilities unique to different media can be used to complement the learner's characteristic to promote high achievement. Here, let me explain why I really agree with this. As a visual learner, I find some attributes from media learning that really help with my learning process. For example, by using Miss Teams, there are recordings and I can relearn from those recordings and recall, and I find it really easy for me and efficient. And as a visual learner, when teachers explain in the Miss Teams, they usually present a presentation, and the presentations is really close to our eyes, which makes me focus more on the presentation other than the class around. On the other side, we have Clarke. Clarke disagreed with how media will influence us learning. Well, he stated this. He believes that when a study demonstrates that media attributes are sufficient to cause learning, the study has failed to control for instructional method and is therefore confounded. I like to disagree with this because here I more agree to Kozma's statement, which is he believes that the medium influences learning where certain computer attributes are needed to bring real-life models and simulation to students. So we don't need to have a face-to-face meeting in order to apply instructional methods. There are actually demonstrations from YouTube for videos, and actually there are animations, so it's become more easier right now and it's accessible. So I don't think Clarke's argument is relatable to my point of view. Well, how does it connect with my epistemological beliefs, which is the philosophy of behaviorism? Well, the philosophy of behaviorism believes that when students do something right, they will get reward, and if they do something wrong, they will get punishments. But I already emphasized on the previous discussion that I disagree with punishment. The thing that we can do, we can actually give just no reward, or just like less special reward. Like, you know, when the first winner will get a really tall trophy and the second will get like slightly shorter, and I think like as long as they know that it does not define their worth, I felt like it's a great belief that I can apply in the classroom. And you know, how can I apply it in media learning? Well, I felt like in the media learning itself already apply it. When we do quizzes, we have like a plus point, and if we get it wrong, we got no point at all. And maybe we can do like a quiz and the highest score will get a package, maybe, you know. And I felt like it's really adjustable, and I don't really have a specific reason why, but the philosophy of behaviorism is actually adjustable to both Kozma's belief and Clarke's beliefs. I noticed something odd from my previous videos, which was I only focus on media when it's online learning, and I only don't I exclude media uses or technology uses when it's offline learning. I don't think we actually realize that we also use technology or media during offline learning, like the projectors when we're doing PowerPoints or presentations and our Canvas, and it helps both students and teachers in actually doing it more effectively and efficiently. It's not time consuming if we actually understand how to use it. So that's it from me. I hope it's helpful. I hope I give you like a clear, in-depth explanation on why I believe in or I stand by Kozma's side. And I'm really sorry if there's any mistakes. I only explain according to my own beliefs, and I hope it fulfilled the requirements or the rubric. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it.